Alright, cool. Just testing. Welcome to the stream. Before I start, I just want to make sure that I'm live. Alright, cool. Just testing. Yeah. Alright, cool. So, oh wow, what a bad start. Alright, cool. Live. Welcome to the live stream. Today we're going to be looking at trading goals. I'm going to be breaking down a few of my pairs that I like to trade every week. So towards the right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 pairs that I like to trade every week. So you can see gold, US 30, oil, GBP, JPY, and Euro AUD. So starting off, we're going to start off with gold on a weekly time frame. I checked this an hour ago, and for gold, I was looking at for buys, but what I really think what's going to happen to gold, I can see gold pushing down towards this 2282 area. Reason is because last week candlestick closed as a shooting star. So for gold, I just need price to break that 4-hour support level. Go on a 4-hour time frame. You can see I would like price to actually close back down below. If you can get another closure back below that support level, then I will say look to sell gold. But in the meantime, we have to be also look at other scenarios. Like I do believe if that scenario don't play out to break towards the downside, then gold will probably just trend back up. And I did think last week was going to touch that 2361 area, 2361 area, but we didn't even touch it. Came short of it, and then gold just dropped, literally dropped. So that was a good indication to show me that like we're still in a downtrend on gold. Even though we could be, I thought we was going to start trending back towards the upside, but no, that did not happen. So apologies if you start hearing my laptop in the background. Yeah, today I had to stream from my laptop. Normally I do it from my iMac. So right, so looking at gold now, we're gonna mark up our resistance level. So you can see here we have got a break beyond this resistance level, but the only thing I don't like, why I'm not going to take it for a sell, is because price is moving choppy around that area. It's not a clear, nice breaker. If we was to take this trade, and it could be very aggressive and take this trade now, actually. Around a 20 pip stop loss. So what's going on with Auto Trader? They've actually changed the way they the numbers to the side of gold. So should we buy gold? What was the 4-hour candlestick? Can we see? We've had a break. We are still in the trend. Alright, cool. So people stop loss would be at 233. That's too short. If I'm gonna trade gold now, look, actually, you know what? If this closed like that, then 232950 would be my stop loss. So around 20 pips. Alright, cool. Apologies. I'm gonna take a buy. I'm gonna actually take a buy trade on gold right now as we speak. So this is gonna be a 1-to-1. Let me just get this ready. Should have jumped in a bit earlier, if I'll be honest with you, but let's go. All right, cool. So we're buying gold now. Just bought gold. And we want our stop loss at 232950. Let me just. So, right. So, just to let you know, I've just bought gold. And we're going to do literally a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio on this as well. We're not in profit yet. I don't know if I can actually screen share my C-Trader platform with you as well. I'll save that for another time. I have to sort that out. All right, cool. So we want our stop loss at 2-3. Remember I said stop loss at 2329,500. Start level at 2329,500. That's where we want our stop loss. Cool. Protect. So I'm going to do this right now. 2329. So I'm risking around 25 pips. Yep, literally marked up. So we're doing a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. 24 pips to be precise. And if this comes through, that's me done for the day on my main account. Modified protection. Cool. All right, so that's a gold trade we've just taken right now. Just waiting game. Right, I'll be honest with you. I do feel like this wants to push towards the downside, but only because our setup has come into play. When you're trading, you have to trade like you're a robot. I keep telling this important. Once you see your trade setup come into play, all the confidence is lined up. When the uptrend broken that, you have to just take the trade. You can't hesitate. You have to literally think about like a robot, because if you hesitate, the trade will just go without you. You jump in halfway through the trade and it comes back down, and your whole trading thoughts all over the place because you're trying to catch this one trade, and then next minute you know it hits your stop loss, and it just puts your mindset all wrong. So what I like to do, you have to really just think like a robot. Like you see there, I didn't even hesitate to take the trade. You know what? I was thinking, yeah, I would like to take a sell on that trade if it break below that support level. But you know what? For a buy, the setup has come into play, so we have to take the trade. Remember, people, you have to have a trading plan and stick to it. Literally, you have to be very disciplined when it comes to trading. Cool. Bought gold. I need to edit that. All right, cool. So we bought gold. Oh my gosh, what's going on? 2, 3. Was that? All right, cool. So we bought gold. Okay, wow, see? So if it closes back below that resistant level, that's probably going to hit TP, if I'll be honest with you. But it is what it is if we lose that trade. Next for gold. And if it breaks that trend line, for me to actually take a sell on gold, it's very tricky. I have to see how price reacts around at this level. Around that level, lows, around these lows. If price breaks below those lows, then yeah, we look for the sell. All right, cool. So let's move on to US 30. On a weekly time frame, US 30. US 30 is, I'll be honest with you, US 30 has just been trending up. So you can see since 2019, it's been trending up. So what does US 30 want to do right now? Oh wow, that nice bullish engulfing candlestick is quite good. That's not bad. Let's check on the 4-hour time frame. So look, last week, missed that trade. That was a lovely break beyond that 4-hour time frame. So if you remember, I did take a trade on US 30. I think I got stopped out on that. Yeah, I got stopped out on that on US 30. Cool. So let me just double check. Sorry, people. I just need to put a trade on my other account as well. So let me remember. I've got like 5 counts. So it's difficult trying to trade all of them. If I'll be honest with you, it's crazy. Don't think gold's looking good right now. We'll check back on gold in a minute, but that's probably going to hit 15 pips. Cool. Oh, that's not done. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. So sorry, people. Apologies. So US 30. What are we looking at here? We're at support at 5-minute. Alright, to get a buy on US 30, I want to see price breaks those highs there. Eventually, yeah, I need price to break those highs there on US 30. Cool. So that's US 30 people got to set up on there. Let's move on to oil. Alright, cool. Oil. Looking at last. I didn't take this trade. Let's put a setup on it. See, again for oil is like gold. Last week we got the shooting star, which is crazy. I feel like on a weekly time frame we got a shooting star, yeah. And then on a daily time frame, price is in this range. Price is trending towards the downside. Yeah. So we only want to be looking at sells for oil. So let's go on 1 hour. So I didn't even take this trade. These are just setups I had. That was that broke below that resistance level, which was good. That would have been a good trade to take. So now we've got new support and resistance levels. So I would look out for that. So you know what? That is actually places on the 1 hour time. So we've got some nice 1 hour support and resistance, which is good. That's lovely. 1 hour support resistance. I'm going to check back on gold in a minute. Alright, cool. So let's scroll on to the 5-minute time frame. Lovely. No, that's even better. Alright, cool. Wow, that was a perfect trade to take. Look at that. Now this candlestick formation, we see a bearish shooting star followed up by a bullish hammer is very good. Especially at the bottom of the trend at that near support level. That's just gonna shoot up. 10, 20, that could have been a nice quick 30 pips. Alright, cool. So that's what we've got for oil. So I'm looking at for oil. So that's a waiting game. So GBP, JPY. So I heard yen's been weak this morning. I didn't actually check. I see a lot of people talking about sell euro JPY. So I thought, okay, that means GJ is going to be weak as well. And yeah, you can see. I remember this trade. I said it was going to touch this area here, the 200.60 area, and it did touch it. So for gold, for a GJ, What's next now? I would like price to actually come and touch that 1 hour support level. So let's go 1 hour. It's broken that trend line, which is good. It's actually touching point B of the trend line. That would have been a quick 50 pips, around 50 pips. So I'll be getting a reversal now towards the upside. Cool. Keep that as a broken trend line. We got 2 broken trend lines actually. This daily one as well. That daily one's finished. I can't see price coming all the way back down here. If it does break that 1 hour support level, then probably it might actually try to come back down to that point B of that daily trend line. But that's going to be a long story. That's if it breaks that 1 hour support line. So it's going under the 200. Let me look at this on the 100 EMA as well. Yeah, so I think one. Alright, cool. So GJ, I'm not seeing nothing now for GJ to actually. We've actually missed the move on it. So this is price literally tries to break back above that resistant level, then I'll look for buys. But price has actually got to break that level on a 15-minute time frame. Then I'll look for buys. If I'll be honest with you, yeah, it's got to break it on a 50. It's got to be broken on a 15-minute time frame for me to be convinced that price wants to push back up and probably retest and touch this resistant level. Probably even try and break it. UAD. This has been moving choppy. This is moving sideways for 6 weeks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, sideways for 6 weeks. Still hasn't even broke out of that range. So go on a daily time frame. Look, still trapped in that range. Listen, just buy, sell when it's high, buy when it's low right now on UAD. If I'll be honest with you, until it breaks out of that range. Alright, cool. The only way we're gonna buy or sell UAD, for instance, if it comes back up to this resistant level, then I'm looking for sales. Because price is just not breaking. Look at that false breakout. Look. So people would have jumped in a bit early. It's probably took a lot of people's stop loss. And that's the candle to let you know we're ready to shoot. Come towards the downside. This is just moving so choppy. So for UAD, listen. Support and resistant level, man. Just wait till it touches one of those levels and we see how it reacts. Yeah, it's been doing this since all month, man. Since the beginning of May. Now we're in June. It's been in this range. Yeah, so I'm not seeing much on that. All right, let's go back to gold. What's going on with gold now? How's this trade playing out? Oh, no. All right, this is not looking good. Finished as a shooting star. All right, we're probably going to lose this trade if I'll be honest with you. Yeah, if it breaks that trend line, we're going to lose that trade. Definitely lose that trade. It's a shame because everything played out pretty nice. All we need is a 1-to-1. I wasn't even trying to hold that. Hold gold. All right, so people, that's our gold trade right now. So yeah, that's probably it, man. We're just gonna leave this trade and watch it. Yeah. So I just want to say, yeah, catch me. I'm gonna be trying to stream every day from like 12 o'clock, 12:30. Show you what trades I'm gonna get into, and also I'm gonna be doing an episode of Let's Pass. It's gonna be called Let's Pass our Funded Challenge. Wow, look at that drop. Oh dear, man. All right, so I'm just gonna leave this live to play out as well, so you lot can see how this trade play out as well. So play some music in the background. I hope you lot enjoyed. Yeah, and I'll probably be back in the next. When this trade's finished, I'll be back on the stream just to close it up for you lot and give you my idea what I'm seeing next for gold. All right then, people. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, cool. Yeah, so that don't even take long now, I'll be honest with you. This look like this is gonna hit stop loss. Somehow I'm still in this trade. This is gonna hit stop loss. So I'll be honest with you, just that alone, that break of that trend line makes this trade interesting. I think this kind of stick alone, we're gonna go for a sell back on gold now because it definitely was the wrong way of the trend. So for gold, we're gonna go for a sell. Oh, come on, don't take long. Alright, cool. So I feel that a sell on gold. People, we lost our first trade. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. Alright, so we're going for a sell on gold. We lost our first trade. You saw that live and direct, but I just want to show you how. Start loss on this. We're looking at oh there. I did feel that. I did say I felt like gold does want to trend towards the downside. So this one I'm probably going to hold for a bit now because we're in the right way of the trend. Why is this in the way? Alright, cool. Let's get rid of that. That's done. See now, gold's dropping nice. So I just sold gold 23320. Oh, that's gonna be our stop loss. Yeah, here we go. I feel like this can come all the way. I feel like this might even come all the way down to that support level and break it. How far can this go? Gold can even come back down. Yeah, even touch these lows. How much pips is that? Oh, I do think that's around 50. All right, cool. We're gonna put our TP at that's around 57 pips. So let's see if this trade can play out. All right. So our stop loss is at 232.000. And if this hits, then we're out done for today. I'll come back. It's gonna be one of those Mondays. 200. It's around 25 pips. Cool, that's not bad. And then so I'm just sorting out my stop loss now. Actually, let me quickly jump in this trade with my other accounts as well. So cool, you've got in a good position there. Wow, that's done. Then our TP's at 232. So this is like a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, not bad. 55 pips. If this comes through, that's a good trade. Alright, so people, we just got to believe in our trade. That's quite good though. That you see how I trade with no emotions. Literally, I always say it is what it is. The one thing what I like trading gold is can have a few losses, and it's that one trade that will just make you back all your pips. Like when you catch that drop. Normally gold drops around Wednesday or Thursday, but last week the drop was on Friday. Yeah, Friday. Look at that drop. See, the drop was here. I was anticipating this drop all week. I said it wants to drop. I thought we was gonna get a break below and then just drop, and I missed it. Look, Friday. That lovely drop. So can we get the same thing here? Alright, cool. This is not actually looking good, you know. Oh, we've got a hammer, so that's not even looking good. It's not a strong hammer because it's got a wick at the top. Yeah. Alright, cool. So we're just gonna let this trade play out, people. I'm glad you actually saw that. The way that I traded. Copy. So just gotta make sure all these trades. It's a lot trading multiple counts, people. It's a lot. You gotta do all this all the time. Switch from count to counts. This is what I'm trying to do now, so bear with me. 2, 3, 3, 2, 8, 2. I thought this was just gonna drop, but it didn't. This one that's gonna take its time. It's gonna be a bit stubborn. I can see it already. Cool. Copy. Let's put on another account. Then we're good to go. All right. So yeah, this is gonna be the last trade for the day. Yeah, so people, I'm just gonna let it play. Thanks for joining the stream. I'm gonna let this play out live so you can actually see how this trade plays out. So yeah, I was gonna leave it run live. Thanks for joining the stream. If you want to check, if I want to trade any more trades for like any other pairs, I'm gonna update you on my Twitter. So don't forget to also follow me on Twitter as well to see what trades that I'm gonna be taking. All right, peace out, people, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, cool. So basically, we got not stop loss, break even on that trade as well. So we can actually go back again, because now we've got the close back above that resistant level, which would be a good price to buy from on gold. So literally right now, I'm just going to place a buy trade on gold. I did say I wasn't going to trade no more, but just the fact that we've had that kind of sit is closed back above. So remember this trade here, this was probably like 35 pips in profit in this trade, which is quite good. I was trying to hold it down to this price here, but really and truly I should have held it to point B of that trend line. But it happens, man. That's how trading is, man. Like I probably should have held that. Some trades will hit your TP, go to where you want it to go, and it doesn't. And sometimes you come out early and then it shoots even further on where you expected it to go. So that's part of trading. So we've just taken a buy on gold right now. So let me just so remember, lost one trade, break even on the other trade, and now we're just gonna take this trade. What is going on? All right, cool. Remember, once your trade goes at 30 pips in profit, I hope you don't remember move your stop loss to break even, because that's what I do. So this is quite tricky now. So this can make or break my day. So it's another, that could be like, this would definitely be the last trade. Remember, get rid of this. This would definitely be my last trade. So at 23,29500. Cool. So that's going to be the stop loss on them. This is just moving mad, isn't it? 23, 29. The worst thing is this has actually got potential now to move. So this copy. Alright. We can do a 1-to-1 on this 100%. So that's 27 pips. So if this trade comes through, we'll probably break even today. Yeah, we're gonna do a 1. But I do believe if we hold this, I expect we can actually hold it for like 100 and something pips. 121 pips. Can we see gold going that high though? That'd be good. What's that price at? 23. Let me just see. 44. That's not bad. That 48. That's 122 pips. It's aiming quite high though. I would take the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio on this as well. So I'm gonna leave it at that TP. One of my accounts gonna be for. I'm gonna aim for that. But on the other account, my other account is definitely gonna be 1-to-1 on this as well. So yeah, we just keep going. Gotta keep going, people. Right, remember we lost one trade and broke even on the other. So it is what it is. It is what it is. I don't really dwell on losses. It happens, man. I traded gold for a bit now to understand you can actually have a couple bad trades, and there's that one trade that literally just puts your account back up. 23, 29. That's that Ushman at 500. Cool. All right, so yeah. So also remember, also let's look at the other pairs as well. US 30 is moving crazy. We haven't really had any strong breakout on US 30. Man, nothing's not breaking up on US 30. I like to see a break above that. If we're gonna go for anything on US 30. Oh, it's the same, nothing going on. Oh yeah. I bought on GJ. So even now, it's a good position to buy it on GJ. We've had a break above that resistant level. I actually saw it quite late. I got in this a bit late, but we still got that breakout, what I was talking about. So on GJ, we're on a buy for GJ. UAD, is price pushing down to that support level I was talking about. Yeah, price is making its way down. So let's keep an eye on that. See how it reacts around this support level. Gold, all right, cool. Gold look like it's starting to move towards the upside. Wicked. All right, so this one trade can actually make us. If you can get pushed all the way up here, that's nice. That's 122 pips. So that is the aim. I don't know if gold will actually do that. I need to look to see if there's any news as well. I haven't even checked Forex Factory. People, I'm a man who don't really regularly check the news. That is so bad. Cool. I did say that last trade was going to be on gold was going to be a last trade, but only reason because we've had that push back towards up this resistant level and it's broken it again. This is letting me that 4-hour support level strong because look, as soon as it touched it, price just shut up. I'm going to show you another highlight. Look, on a half an hour, that's as a hammer. Cool. Price might be ready to trend back up now. That's what I'm starting to see with gold. Oh my gosh! And even on 1 hour time frame now, if this, right, let's adjust this trend line to here. So if this even close anything like this, this is nice. All right, cool. So we're getting some nice movement on gold right now. That's probably like 10 pips. How many pips were on this? Cool. I'm not even that much. 10 pips. All right, cool. Oh, coming back down again. We're gonna adjust this trend line on gold. Let's just adjust it. Apologies for my laptop. Sounds like a hoover right now. Normally I stream from my iMac, but not at this moment. Yeah, cool. So one of my accounts, we're just doing one-to-ones because we've got to build this account back up. Another account, we're gonna we're just gonna see how that writes to really and truly, which is quite good. All right, we're doing fine. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. Oh, true, we're not. No, price is dropping that down. I was gutted about this first trade though. Because I didn't actually initially, I didn't actually hold this for a one-to-one. I actually put my stop loss, my TP down to this point. I did thought, I was really, I did expect, I thought gold was, not did expect, I was hoping for gold to break that support level, which it didn't. It just literally rejected off of it and shot right up off of it. So it was my fault for not even taking a one-to-one on gold for that, on one of my account that I normally do take one-to-ones. I thought, well, let me just hold it. But this is what I'm trying to say to you about when you're trading. Sometimes you can't let your emotions get in play. It's why I had to just think like a robot. We're just doing one-to-ones, done. But I didn't let my emotions get in the way, and I tried to hold out for that TP, which it didn't even happen. But yeah, definitely on this trade, definitely doing a one-to-one on this. Let me bring it back down. Just going to do a one-to-one on that. So that's not it fast. So if it does hit one-to-one, our TP, our next target profit would be, like I said, that resistant level there. Yeah, so pretty much good. So people, yeah, that's another trade from me. Alright, so I was gonna look at Forex Factory. Let me look at Forex Factory. Cool. Alright, let me just look at Forex Facts here. News at 2. That news comes out in a couple hours. So we've got news at 2:45, final PMI and ISI manufacturing. That's for USD. That's the only high impact news we've got today. Alright, cool. Alright, so we're gonna leave this trade to play out so you can watch it. So remember, we've done 2 trades. One trade we lost around 25 pips, and the second trade we broke even on that. It's my fault really and truly why we didn't win that trade, because I didn't do a 1-to-1 on that. Literally thought we was gonna get a drop on that, but we didn't. But it's what it is. Hopefully you can see and learn why it's so important to stick to rules, man. Very important in this game. You have to stick to your rules. Alright, cool. So people, I'll see you back in a bit. I'll give you an update on how this trade goes. All right, cool. So managed to hit TP on this trade, which is quite good. So we've had one winning trade, one break even, one loss. And winning trade is actually quite cool. So that today, like 3 pips profit. So it should have been 2 winning trade, really and truly. Should have been 2 winning trade, but it is what it is. And yeah, so people, that brings it to the end of the stream. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that live forex trading session today. Took 3 trades. And yeah, man. Tomorrow I'll be streaming again, back at 12:30 p.m. London GMT time. So yeah, peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.